So I'm going to quickly break down Google's personal intelligence update. Last video I did, I said 73 times in 7 minutes, which must be some sort of record. So inspired by somebody else in the co-working space, if I say the word which I already have once, I think I've got to do 5 burpees. So hopefully it's not 73 today. But jumping into the announcement, so Google's personal intelligence is a way to give Gemini access to users' Gmail and photos. So any information that's contained in there could be used by Google to ultimately offer more personalization within the Gemini AI responses. But of course, the big thing here is going to be about user privacy. Sounds great in principle, but would you want to give Google access to that sort of information? And if so, on what basis? Well, what they've said to try and mitigate this is that the data itself is not directly used by Gemini. So that is to say, your email conversations and your photos are not being uploaded into like the global AI to be used by everybody. But if I understand this correctly, summaries of any of the information that you provide can be included to train Google's AI models. And they've made it clear that the prompts that the users use and the responses that the AI gives, they can also be used for training purposes. So there is definitely a trade-off here between convenience and privacy, and one that as an individual, we're going to have to decide whether we're comfortable with doing that or not. But the point is, from a marketing perspective here, is that we're definitely entering into this era of AI shopping agents where both OpenAI and Google are trying incredibly hard, and they're pouring incredible amounts of resources into trying to become your personal concierge and be the one that you go to as users in order to seek out product recommendations. And of course, they're going to offer services to advertisers around these experiences. And so what Google have done with this announcement with personal intelligence, which is going to be available in labs very soon, is they're going to play their trump card that they have against OpenAI, which is the fact that they have years of built up receipts and reservations and other information from users, which will give them this leg up in order to offer these personalized recommendations that they can do today.